Hey everyone, I got a little cold here, but I just wanted to talk to you guys about something real quick that I'd advise nobody does, and that would be to use the rebalance button on M1 Finance. And I'll show a picture of that here. And the reason why you'd never want to use that rebalance button is because when you do that, you're going to have a taxable event because it'll sell off some of your stocks. It'll basically be allocating those as 0%. And if you have those at 0%, when you go in and manage your pie, if you take it down and take something for example, that's at 1% and take it to a 0%, it's going to sell it off. And that is something that you do not want to do unless you're fine with the taxes, which most people who I feel are investing for the long run are not going to be fine with those taxes. And so therefore I would recommend you never use the rebalance button. You can always change it to 1% and that will not create a taxable event. And so that's the way I would go about it. If you guys have any questions, be sure to drop them below. And as always, like and subscribe. Have a good one.